Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mikhet again, and in this video I'm gonna help you with the problem of your Instagram tags and mention settings. So if you're having trouble with your Instagram tags or mention, this video is for you. So make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the steps. Now let's start. First of all, on your device, make sure that you have proper internet connection and Instagram app is installed. After that, go and simply launch Instagram app on your device. Now when you're at your Instagram home page interface, at the bottom right corner of your screen you will see your profile icon. So tap on your profile. After that, again go to the top right corner of your screen and then tap on three line icon. Once you see all these lists, again go to settings and privacy. After that, to see your tag and mention settings, scroll and tap on tags and mention, where you will see that option as how others can interact with this section. So tap on there. In here you will see all your settings related to tags and mention. So if you allow tags from everyone, at the top you might be tagged from everyone. So if you want to customize from the people you follow, simply tap on allow tags from people you follow. So once you tap on there, the only people that you follow will be able to tag you. Or else if you want to change to everyone, simply tap on allow tags from everyone. After that, again at the bottom of your screen you will see who can mention you. Similar with the top, if you want to allow mention from that you follow, you can just customize by tapping on the second option that says allow mention from people you follow. If you tap on there, only the people you follow will be able to mention you. Again, if you want to allow everyone to mention you, again tap on the second option. Now once you're done with all of these settings, you will be tagged or you will be mentioned from everyone on Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. I will see you on next video.